Good day. Here's the latest news for today. To show their commitment in helping the provincial government in its campaign against COVID-19, Frontliners Development Corporation donated face masks and vaccines that will be distributed to our frontliners with the hope to finally end this crisis. Let's hear Raymark Simanya for the update.
Queen, in support of the ongoing battle against COVID-19, many companies and institutions are taking steps by donating medical supplies to make the Philippines a COVID-19 free country. Conveniently, the provincial government of Misamis under Governor Bambi Emano receives donations such as face masks and vaccines intended for the whole province. On Monday, September 13, 2021, Frontliners Development Corporation Misamis Power Corporation, in partnership with Singapore-based Temasek Foundation, formally turned over 100,000 pieces of surgical masks and 30 vials of AstraZeneca vaccines that will be given to 150 individuals for the first and second dose under its PhilVax or PhilInvest vaccination program. With assurance engineer Luis S. Lagarnia Jr., the FDC Utilities Incorporated Vice President for Project and Construction, emphasized that their company is committed to help the LGUs in combating against COVID-19 pandemic.
Our company prioritizes the safety and well-being of everyone, and because of that, we are here today with the rest of the LMS group. FDC Misamis assure the province of Misamis rental its support. Rest assured that we will remain your proactive partner as we made significant strides towards helping our country recover from this pandemic.
Governor Bambi Emano also expressed his gratitude to FDC for the donations that will leave a lasting positive impact to the people.
Thank you very much once again for helping the people of Misamis Oriental. I have been saying, sir, with your kindness, you've spoiled us already ang Misamis Oriental.
Besides, he added that these will be distributed to 8 Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals among frontliners including the teachers and checkpoint personnel.
FDC has always been a partner. Please thank the Gulpianon family. Please thank our President, Mr. Rojas, the men and women of FDC, the Temasek Foundation, for your kindness of not only delivering stable power supply to the province of Misamis Oriental, but helping us fight COVID, especially with the donation of additional face masks, which will be used by our medical professional. We will also distribute to our checkpoints in the province, and we will give to our hospitals, the 8 hospitals in Misamis Oriental.
This is not the first time that the company extended its support to the province. In fact, in 2020, the province received assistance including personal protective equipment and face shield for our frontliners. Governor Bambi Emano will always be thankful to all organizations and companies in the province for showing their support to the provincial government to further strengthen its campaign against the deadly virus. This is Raymark Simanya, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Raymark. In another story, Governor Bambi Emano's empowering leadership seeks to develop a province-wide approach for all Misamisnons to start revolutionize and coexist with COVID-19 as part of the preparation relative to the extent of health risks, complementing to a continuous economic development of the province. Here's Regina Moore, my guy, for the report.
Yes, Queen. Misamis Oriental Governor Bambi Emano gave his emphatic message regarding the fight against COVID-19, which calls for all Misamisnons to start coexisting with the reality of the deadly coronavirus.
The governor, during the latest virtual flag raising ceremony in the provincial capital, prompted all help from Misamis Oriental Department Heads Association or MODHA, provincial board members, all partner health agencies, and especially the Provincial Interagency Task Force to derive effective plans, mind-setting, and comprehensive movement as such. This falls in the perspective foreseeing the people living along the existence of COVID-19, which meant to mitigate a province-wide approach on battling its risks. Governor Bambi Emano also stated that he just wants all his constituents to be prepared relating to the sudden reality with the seemingly rhythmic changes of COVID cases every day throughout the whole province.
Sa pagkakaroon, wala ko makita nga katapusan sa COVID. It's very sad, very sad. But I'm not giving up. We're fighting. So how do we tell people, Jeff, that we have to coexist already with COVID? We have to, on how we will be able to coexist. How do we deliver? How do we revolutionize the minds of the people of Misamis Oriental to live with COVID, to protect ourselves back?
Governor Bambi Emano also cited samples for new normal activities, addressing the idea that with more gatherings, the more there will be risks. To mention, regular use of alcohol and washing of hands, bringing and wearing face masks and face shields, and birthdays should be celebrated just within family circles, and can use food delivery processes to treat loved ones or visitors, for instance, through a contactless way.
It's almost 2 years now since the pandemic due to COVID-19 began, which relentlessly drive the provincial government of Misamis Oriental under Governor Bambi Emano's leadership to ensure the safety and security for all Misamisnons, and that the great challenge still lies on not risking economic status quo but for progress to continuously happen. This is Regina Moratanel, my guy, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Regian. And that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I am Queen Exclamador. Good day.